Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today we are going to draw a small little puppy. So for that what we need is we need to draw it with a pencil because there are certain parts which are to be rubbed, and if I make it with a sketch pen and if the line goes inside I will not be able to rub. So I'll quickly start. I'll do it with this sketch pen later on, so that you all know. See, you have to draw two brackets. I hope it is clear in the camera. You have to draw two brackets. After that you have to draw 1, 2, 3, 4 standing lines. After drawing the 4 standing lines you will draw 1 matka here and 1 matka here. After drawing these two matkas you will write number 11 in this, number 11 in this. You know what is this? The paw of the doggy. Now when you made this bracket, now we will start from this point. Can you see? From this point we will make one bracket till here, and from this point we shall make one bracket till here, and we will put it down like that. So it is almost a semicircle. After this we will put, these are the hind legs of the doggy. Okay, he's in a sitting position. After this we draw the tail part. Okay, now when we draw the face, we don't have to draw the face upar se. We will draw the face a little inside. So first what we do is make an oval. See, these certain parts are to be rubbed. Because it has to be rubbed, I am not doing it with a pen. Now from here we will rub little, we'll make a khadiya here, and little khadiya we'll make here. Now from here what we'll do is we will go like that, take the ears and come back. Now from here we'll do like that, take the ears down and come back. Now what we have to do is to rub the bracket from between. Now the face is done. Now the eye. No, the Cobra is a little teda. So let's make the Cobra a bit good. Okay, yeah. Now after this is done, what you're supposed to do is to write Aisa here. Matlab, the dog is laughing but we have to make him crying. Okay, now we'll make the eyes. Now the eyes are not to be here, they are not to be here, they are not to be here, they are supposed to be here. So you will draw one undo here, one undo here, then one naragundu, one naragundu, one naragundu, and one naragundu. Okay, after this we make the eyebrows. The dogs have eyebrows. Then you can make the nosy part of the doggy, the nosy part, and you can make the what you call this, the muchi of the dog. After this what we will do is we'll just quickly make the patch which he has on his forehead, and we'll make one patch which he is having here. Okay, so our drawing is over, but what I will do is I'll quickly take a marker and do the drawing again so that it is very clear. I'll show it to you. See, this is the bracket which we made. Okay, little bracket has gone inside the ear which we have rubbed. Then the 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the mataka part, then number 11, then again the bracket, again the bracket. My doggy is looking so fatty. Let it be. I give him good amount of chicken and milk and fish, so my doggy is healthy. Okay, the poochu part, then the facesu part. Okay, now the facesu part, little part was rubbed from here, so I am not making that. Then the eary part, this is one ear, this is the second ear. Now this is the patch which the dog has. This is the patch the dog has. Now the undo and the undo, then the naragundu. We leave the naragundu and color the undo. Correct. Then the eyebrows, then the eyebrows. Then my doggy has a shiny nose. Now Bichara. We'll not make these are not looking that good. I'll rub it. Okay, so our drawing is done. So let us start with the coloring. For the coloring, first I've taken my ganda brown. It is a ganda brown, but still I love it. Okay, so this ganda brown, first we do the borders. Always remember, whenever you start coloring, first you do your borders. My stool is also making awaj like me. See, tick 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 tick. See, it's giving sound of music. I think so. There's something down which is giving the voice. Okay, so we did the Cobra. Now we'll do this part. Ganda wala brown. Ganda wala brown. See, whenever you use your gully work, gully way, your color, your matlab Buddha will not be seen. There will be no white spots. If you do like that, still there will be white spots. But if you use your gully technique, there shall be no white spots left. Okay, after this we'll color the paw. We'll color the paw. We'll color the paw. No. Then we'll color the tail part also little dark. Okay. We can use 3 colors. We can use 2 colors as ever we wish. This time I'm going to use 2 colors because this drawing is for my chunumunus and I don't want any confusion in their heads. So I'm taking the buff color or the light brown color which you call, and the remaining dog will be colored. See, if a little color is going on your marker, don't you mind it because it can be rectified later. My kursi is making the noise. Today Tanu auntie should be quiet and let the chair make its noise. A ding a ding a ding. A ding a ding a ding a ding a ding. A ding a ding a ding. A ding a ding a ding a ding a ding a ding a ding. Ding a ding a ding. Okay. Okay, first you do your borders. My color. I broke my color. क्योंकि what I do is I दबा के घसीट के do my colors. Because I do दबा के घसीट के, my colors always break. See, the color is gone. It's vanished. Jolly gauge hai. The color is gone. Now I'll have to chalo. The color is khatam. Now I shall it's always like that with me. Never mind. I have a question. Even you all break your colors like how Tanu auntie does, or it's only me who keeps on breaking colors? You know, there were some children, you know, I'm making the grass, who used to come to me, और अगर उनका कलर टूट गया तो बाप रे बाप, इतना शोर के मम्मी तो चिल्लाएगी. For me nothing, na. I cannot shout to myself. But I keep on wondering how I break my colors. Never mind. See, now I have to do the popatia green down. See, my popatia green, I'm doing it down. First I thought I'll use paints for the sky. Should I? Because it is for my chinimunus. They can also use paints if they wish. In fact, children who come to me, I make sure that even they use a little bit of painting, because children love painting rather than sawing the colors. If you give them, I'm using my yellow green now. Sawing the colors, they love. If teacher gives a part of work to be done with paints. They just love it. My grasso part. So we'll do the sky, a colorful sky. First we'll make the borders of the puppy. You know how a puppy cries? Do you love dogs? I love them. So I'll take my Actually, you know what? My black color has vanished. I hardly have anything, so I'm using a marker to redo the borders. You all can use your oil pastels. I'll have to go and buy a bit of colors for me. My marker gonna spoil fast because I'm using them on oils. This is a water base color, and we are doing the borders, we are doing the makeup. Without the makeup, the dog will not look good. See how bright it looks. But I'm sure I'm going to spoil this pen of mine by doing it. But I can't help it. My black color is over. And unless and until I go to the shop to buy the black color, I'll have to use this. Or I'll search in my drawers if there are some black colors left. Even tukda will do. Tikda dile tikda zindagi behne do pyasi hame pyasi rehne do. Should we make a shandy for the doggy? Let's do that. We'll make a little bit of shandy for the doggy. A small little shandu. Okay. Now, what we are supposed to do is the painting part. So I have my colors ready with me. See, tin. So we will use 1, 2 and 3 blue colors. Because the sky is blue, we are going to use only these two. If we want a colorful sky, we can use all the colors, but we are going to use only the blue color. So what we do first, we wet. See, small children, first we wet the colors. We take a jadia brush and then we do enough color on the brush, and yes, then you can do your, don't pressure to a brush का कतल मत करना ऐसा दबा के. Keep it in air, okay? Keep it in air and you do it. Now you wash. Now we are taking the second blue color. Can you see? Okay? हवा में रखने का प्यार से बेचारे वो ब्रश का खून मत कर देना. हाँ, ठीक है. Then we take the light blue. We are playing only with the blues, okay? We are playing only with the blues. We are taking water बहुत प्यार से. Now we are taking the darkest. इधर दबाने का, इधर नहीं दबाने का. See, we are taking little water. You don't worry, because you have used oil colors. Your paints are not going to enter by any chance in your kutra. It looks as if I'm giving a bad word, but it is the word for the dog. Yeah, I'm not giving any bad words. Huh? Again, now we'll use this color. This looks vibrant, so we'll be using this color here. See, in case your blue color goes here, see, I have purposely put, but you can wipe it off because it's oil based. It will not enter. You don't have to worry about it. My shandy is giving me a bad vibes, so let me put the darker shade here for the sky. Okay, so our sky is done, and I'll click the photo after it dries because now the paper will be wavy. Okay, so our doggy is done. The blue sky. Yes, our doggy is done.